don't. But I promised myself that I would not give up and that I would stay disciplined. And it's fucking hard, especially when I'm not in the great mindset and I don't want to go. Today was a lot of emotion, and I didn't think that I would find myself being so emotional on this journey, but today was hard. I did not want to get out of bed. I am exhausted. Like, my body is just like, no more. And I know a lot of it is like, you know, like in my head. And for me to be able to like push through that and to get today, like, it's progress. Because I wouldn't have done that. And Brendan, thank you. Because if it hadn't been for you, I probably wouldn't have made it to the gym today. I probably wouldn't have made it to day 5. And guys, I'm serious. Like, the Mighty Miracle Man, our team is phenomenal. They're there for you